thank you. Fuck. Hi guys, welcome to this new video, Vitesse Garage. So now we have this box here. This is my new shocks for the project. So I'm go ahead and open this, and we need to see with you what's going into this box. So okay, so the brand of these shocks are max feeding rods. So it's cheap coils, cheap shocks, but I think it could be do the job. So yeah, let's open this. Okay, so yeah, this is the front shock. So front coilovers. Yeah, as you can see, the quality is, I don't know if it's a good quality or not, but it look good in real. So you have the adjustment here for the 8. Here is to adjust the tension of the springs. And yeah, this is the top mount. We can adjust the camber and stuff like this. Oh yeah, and we have clicks here to adjust the shocks. So yeah, we need to see that after, but yeah, it looked like a good thing, good stuff, but I don't know in real. But yeah, we need to try this together. So yeah, this is the front shocks. I have a set of adjustable drop links, as you can see here. Yeah, you can adjust this. So yeah, because if you adjust the 8 of the shocks, you need to adjust this. So yeah, this is really good to have this. Okay, so yeah, so this is the rear spring. Okay, and this is to adjust the 8 of the rear spring of the shocks here. So yeah, with the same system, you also have the clicks to adjust the shocks. So yeah, you have this. And yeah, the quality is not too bad in my opinion. I don't try this to see if it's good or not, but you can adjust the height here as well. Yeah, now we need to go ahead and install this and see if it's good or if it's a shit. Yeah, let's go.
thing about that is it reduces the quality. Ow.
yeah, as you can see, with the 17-inch wheels, it look like an absolute sleeper. You can see the fitment is perfect. So I'm really happy with that. So M140 high brake conversion, new shocks, new bushings. Yeah, couple upgrade, but I'm happy with this. We need to see in the time if the suspension are good quality or if they are shit. I don't know. Need to see this. But I'm really happy with this setup. I think this car gonna stay with shit wheels because it's a shit box. And the only thing we ask to this car is to be fast, and that's it. So I love all the scratch, everything. I love this wheel because they are really scratchy everywhere. So yeah, this is really good. I like that. Yeah. So um yeah, so this is the end of this video. So I really hope you like this video. So as you can see, the car is not finished. The front is fully done, just missing one sensor here on this side. So it's the sensor for the right 8 for the headlight. So in the next video we need to finish the back, and if we have time, probably start the engine and start the serious thing. So yeah, in the next video, finish couple things, try to put the car on the ground and push the car back to prep everything for the engine video. And yeah, so thank you for watching. Thank you for all the subscribers and all your return you do. You tell me everything. And guys, stay tuned for the next episode. That could be really interesting. Thank you.